Hey, what's up guys? It's Rachel. I'm back today with another unboxing video, which actually this box is already open. This is my Boutique by the Box Free People Intimates and Free People Movement boxes. I recorded this video once and I did it live, and then I listed all the items, and then when I went to edit the video, it was all jacked up. So I still wanted to show you guys what came in this box. It's not live, but we're gonna try something new this time. I'm gonna go ahead and put my listings here as I show you what's in here, because I still really want to show you guys what's in here. But it kind of works out because it's all in plastic and stuff anyway, so it's hard to show you like when it's in plastic. So I'll put everything here. You guys will have to let me know what you think, if you like it this way in this format where I post the items once I have them photographed and stuff, or if you would rather continue to see the live unboxings. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a part-time reseller, so I buy things on, secondhand, like thrifting or liquidation boxes, and I resell them on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. It's a nice little side hustle for me. This is a liquidation box from Boutique by the Box. In here, just real quick, the stats. This was 10 pieces of Free People Intimates and 15 pieces of Free People Movement. The Intimates box was 10 pieces for $70. The Free People Movement was $149 for 15 pieces. It had, I think, 15% off or something like that, which if you're interested in that 15% off, I do have a link down below if you want to check out the site. So my cost of goods averaged out somewhere around $8 an item. I don't remember exactly, but we'll say $8 per item with this stuff. So I'm going to show you the Free People Intimates first, just because that's what's on top here. So this is a bra, Berry Electric Tamika underwire bra. You'll see everything over here because I already have all this stuff listed. The MSRP is $48 on that. This is a 3-piece undie pack. So obviously you'll see it over here with this 3 pairs of underwear, size extra small, in this cute little bag. This is also undies. This is a thong, Pixie Nude. Last time I ordered this box too, I ended up getting one like pair of thong underwear. Oh, this one I can hold up, it just fell out. This is a bralette. Okay, also help me out in the comments, guys. Is it bralette or bralette? I've heard people say it both ways. The good news is, to be a reseller, I don't need to know how to say it. I just need to know how to spell it. But for real, is it bralette or bralette? Help me out. Well, anyway, that's what this is. So it's like a pull over your head. Ooh, it's real stretchy. MSRP is $38. This is the Sage Longline Bralette, whatever. It's listed. This is Ari underwire bra. It's called Mooncake is the color, but it's pink. This is another Ari underwire bra. This one's black, size 36D. The MSRP on this is $48. I am impressed of the size selection. A lot of times when you get these Free People Intimates, you get like everything small and extra small. Some of it is, but some of it's not. So this is a brami. Okay, it's the first time I've ever seen this, a brami. It's actually more like a crop top, but it's a size small, MSRP $30. This is really pretty. This is like white and lacy. It reminds me of bridal. Everything reminds me of bridal. That's been my whole life lately. You know, I'm getting married in a couple months. Bridal everything everywhere. But anyway, this is lacy. It's a 36 double D. It's like an underwire. You'll see when I put the listing, it's got like removable straps. This is a bandeau. The color is Daybreak, but it's basically yellow. MSRP is $38. And I think this is This is the last of the intimates. This is another bralette. I think it's the same as the blue one. It's just orange. And this one's a size medium. All right. So that's that. That's 10. And then we'll go into the Free People Loungewear Box was the second thing that I ordered. So this is 15 pieces. This is, which by the way, oh, you know what? Let me tell you this first. One of the biggest upsides to these boxes, well, number one, with liquidation, the cost of goods is a little bit higher, right? It's a little bit higher than what you're gonna get with, like if you were thrifting, right? So these items averaged me about $8 a piece. Most likely after all the fees and stuff, I'm gonna double my money. Okay, so like the profit margin is not as great on this stuff. However, it is hand sorted. It's all new with tag. And pretty much everything you'll notice, I'm finding stock photos. It's very easy to take stock photos to find comps. So when you're weighing out your, you know, where you do your sourcing, that's something you have to take into consideration. I was reminded because this was the only thing in the entire box that I could not find comps on, or I could not find like another listing for this item. I don't know if that's good or bad, but anyway, it's an extra long layer. It's like a swimsuit cover up. I had to take my own photos, which is a bummer because this obviously like wasn't the easiest to photograph, but it's the only thing I couldn't find it on. Then there were these shorts. These are the EM ruffle short. MSRP $38 on these. And I got a bunch of these shorts in different sizes and colors. These are the sporty shorts. So I've got two of these brown, which they're more like copper, I guess. You'll see it here. I got one small, one medium. The medium one does have a small like discoloration on it, which I noted in the listing, but they are both brand new with tags. Here, this one's open. I can hold it up. These are the ivory ones. They all look like this. They're just different colors. So I got the ivories. These are an extra small. And then these are small. These are the blue ones. So I had 4 different pair of these, all different colors and sizes. And these are another pair of those same shorts. The first ones, the EM ruffle shorts. These are like a green color, size small. Then this is a sweater. The brand is Central Park West, which I don't know. I've never heard of this brand. Help me out in the comments, guys. Is this a Free People like off-brand or like a something they sell in the stores, like the Free People stores? I've never heard of this brand, but it was in this box. It is a really cute sweater. It's new with tags, so I listed it. I couldn't find any exact comps on this sweater either. There were lots of sweaters that were similar, but like this exact one I couldn't find, so there were 2. I guess I lied. Then we've got these joggers. So I've got 2 pair of these. Both pair are size large, but they're like, you know, they're just joggers. They've got the elastic hem. This one's like a bluish gray or a bluish green, depending on how you see it. These are the exact same ones. These are just purple, both size large. The MSRP on these are $68. So that's pretty good. I'm kind of glad. Maybe I'll have the same buyer do a bundle. And then I got 2 of these like cropped tops. These are $68 MSRP. Couldn't find a stock photo of this either. But I did get 2 of these, so at least I could kind of duplicate the listing. One is a small, yeah, one's a small, one's a medium. Then I got these. They're like a skirt. So they're like this, here, I'll come up closer. Can you see? They're like a houndstooth, but it's like really small. So they've got a tie waist. New with tag also. These didn't come in a bag. $68 MSRP. These don't look like loungewear to me. They look more like I don't know if you'd wear them to work. I don't know. I don't know what you wear these to, but I've got them. And then last two. Now these are actually not Free People either. The Boutique by the Box site has a Daydreamer option of like damaged Daydreamer merchandise, and I ended up with 2 Daydreamer pieces in my Free People box. At first I was like, seriously guys, WTF, like I ordered Free People, why do I have Daydreamer? But I'm not even mad about it, because when I looked up comps on these, I was like, okay, fine, like it's probably just as good, if not better than any Free People piece they might have sent me. So there is a Daydreamer box. Sometimes they like restock and then they sell out right away. I have never got my hands on one, but there is a Daydreamer box that they offer of damaged items. And both of these are technically damaged. This one is Johnny Cash, and I mean, it's new without tags. The only thing that, I mean, what I would think would make it damaged is that the fabric tag and the size tag are missing. I just listed it though based on measurements. Everything else, like there's nothing else wrong with it. And then the last one is this Def Leppard band t-shirt. It says Japan 1998 Hysteria Tour. This one is damaged. It is new without tag. It does have the size tag, but there is a little small hole in the, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little small hole in like the back of the shirt. But you know what though? That's okay, because this shirt actually just sold a couple hours ago, and now that I have done this video, I can send it off. I accepted an offer of $25 on it, and I figure for a damaged shirt, you know, $25 is pretty good. And it was the first thing to sell out of the box. This was listed less than 24 hours, so I will take it. So recapping this, 15 total pieces of Free People intimates, even though only 12 pieces were technically Free People. And then 10 pieces, or I'm sorry, Free People loungewear, and then 10 pieces of Free People intimates. My cost of goods was about $8 a piece. I'm looking to just about double my money with this stuff. So I will post a 90-day update on this. I'm sure you guys are curious to see what came out of it. So if you're still watching, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see any other related reseller content. I try to put videos out about twice a week, 3 times a week, unboxing videos, thrift hauls, what sold videos, all of my reseller life right here on my channel. So definitely subscribe or consider it. You know, I would love to have you back for a future video. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.